What's something people don't know about construction? It's a prime target for cyber attacks, ransomware, a hacker's weapon that locks up your data until you pay. Construction companies are juicy targets, and here's why. You've got teams spread out on multiple sites, sensitive project details, and often outdated IT systems. The impact? Massive project delays, financial loss, and shattered trust. So how can you protect your business? Impress IT Solutions has your back. With 24/7 monitoring, they catch threats before they strike. Secure backups mean you can restore data without paying a ransom. Plus, they train your team to spot phishing scams and run regular security audits to keep you ahead of the game. Your construction business is more than bricks and mortar. It's data, deadlines, and trust. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Protect your business now with Impress IT Solutions. Because in construction, every second counts.